Hey guys, Dino here, and as you can see, this video is in a very different format from what I normally do, but I really enjoy watching videos in this format, so I wanted to try it, but I also wanted to hear y'all's opinions down in the comments. So I am super sorry for not uploading the past couple times. It's just that school's starting back up, and I don't really have as much time as I had over the summer. So making videos is a little more difficult now, but that doesn't mean I won't be uploading. It just means maybe less frequently. But anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright, in today's video, we are going to be reviewing a very interesting switch. The box Jades. Now these bad boys are insanely tactile and unclicky, and they have an unreal sound. Like, it's crazy. I've been using them in my KBD67 Lite lately, and they're insane. They are insanely tactile, like 10 times your standard Cherry MX Blues, and they're actually more tactile than, like, for say Holy Pandas. They're about the same as a Blueberry, which is a very tactile switch, also by Novelkeys. Now these Jade box switches have a 3-pin mount, which you can find as a Pro or a Con, because the Pro would be, it's easier to take in and out of boards and it's more compatible, but the cons would be that it's less stable, which I don't really find a difference between 3-pin and 5-pin switches when it comes to stability, but that's really just personal preference. Now, these box Jade switches have a thicker click bar, which makes them extremely tactile and more clicky. Therefore, they have thicker clicks, which is way better than your standard Cherry MX Gatoron or Otemu Blue. Now, these are not fatiguing, even though they have that extremely tactile bump, but they are fairly light at 55 grams with an actuation distance of 1.7 millimeters, and you bottom out at 3.6 millimeters, which is lighter than most standard Cherry MX switches, which makes me bottom out a lot. Now, if you are going to lube these, which I recommend you only lube the spring, you will need a Kailh switch opener. Okay, let's get into the stem wobble test. Alright, as you can see in my KBD67 Lite, I have a box Jade, a C3 Kiwi, Novelkeys Blueberry, and drop Holy Panda. And I'm going to be rating the stem wobble 1 through 10, with 10 being no wobble and 1 being stem basically falling out of the switch from wobble. So let's get into it. So I assume these are going to be yeah, they're fairly sturdy. Up and down, they're probably like a 9, side to side, an 8 for the Kiwis. Up and down, 9, side to side, 9. And then for the blueberries, up and down, 6, side to side, that's like a 4. Now for the drop Holy Pandas, up and down, that's like 3, side to side, it's like 6. So the box Jades are very, like, extremely tight, and that is because of the box housing. It actually gives it less room to move around. And with the best being the Kiwis, the Jades fall very slightly behind. They're insanely close, and with the keycap on, you won't even notice a difference. Now, the Novelkeys Blueberries are fairly unstable, along with the drop Holy Pandas. Alright guys, now's the time you've all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, the sound test. Now, do I recommend the Novelkeys box jades? My answer to that is I don't exactly recommend these, but they are really fun to type on and try out. So if you do have some extra money, then I say it's a really fun experience, and I will be using these in my rotation. But that's all for now. Peace out, guys.